What's good with y'all boys, man? We back with another banger, bro. I gotta get used to this holding the camera and stuff, though. But seatbelts, everyone. Gotta put this behind us, bro. Alright, let me take this hoodie on, bro. I can't see a damn thing, bro. I can't see shit. Bro, that truck rolling, bro. But, yeah, man. We about to be on the way down to the shop right now. We really just, it's a chill day. It's kind of gloomy outside, honestly. I'm not sure if y'all can hear me with the ski on, hopefully. But, I'm gonna pull it down a little bit for y'all so y'all can hear me. But, yeah, it's kind of like a little gloomy day today. Not too much going on. Just about to pull up at the shop, see what they got going on down there. You know, nice little vlog. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. So far, the Chrysler has been running like phenomenal, bro. Like, there's been no problems with it for real, bro. Like, it really be cooling. I really ain't had to run into much, but put gas in it, motherfucker. Drinker, gas guzzler. You hear me? But shit, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all when we get to the shop, man. Cause shit, dang, somebody got a Charlie on the highway just broke down. Let me pay attention before I be broke down too. I'm trying to get y'all this little POV up under this tunnel real quick. Why I sound like I'm hearing something else? Is that my car? Damn, maybe it is. Alright, but let me just crack this window a little bit. Alright, y'all ready for the pull? Forward. Third. And ooh, was that the boys on the other side? Oh my god, bro, this mug. I ain't gonna lie, bro, this mug feels so good. Gotta use my blinkers, Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all once we get to the shop, man. It is very windy right now, bro. But I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. Alright, bro. This is so, like, aggy, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Crazy, bro. This shit be just, like, wild to me, bro. It don't be making no sense, bro. Not gonna lie, 300 back there looking sexy. What's up, my guy? Man. We got to, she said she wants some hot tamales. Hot tamales and something to drink. Something to drink, bro. Hot tamales, check. But, definitely gotta give me something to drink. She really sent that money. I think I'm gonna get one too, y'all. Damn. But yeah, it's a lot going on right now. I gotta figure out who down at the shop, what we got going on. What's going on, my guy? How much? Shit, back secured. Gotta figure out what the fuck going on. This shit is wild, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, this shit is crazy. We got the Android 10 radio in this junk, you hear me? We really could watch YouTube and do all that on here, bro. But like I just play music. But it's so dark in here because of that tent, y'all know? It really, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let me pull down here real quick to this spot so I can show y'all like how I do. Woo! Beer sound good, don't it? Little beer sound good, don't it? Alright, oh, freak. I forgot my seatbelt. Alright, this shit like Simon says, what about my glitch be doing in my house? Not tweaking, bro. Like, look at this shit. Damn, my window just came all the way.
Brother, this guy stinks!
They need to get down here and fix this shit. I ain't fucking with this, bro. Fucking up my tires and shit. Say, oh, I gotta hook y'all back up, man. Hook you niggas back up, man. See, man, we on type shit we on today. Other than doing stuff for the Chrysler every other day, like I'm not sure if we should just start like adding modifications, start doing vinyls wrap, you know, so I don't y'all gotta let me know what y'all want me to do to the car. But with that being said, let me give y'all a walk around. Here is the Chrysler SRT8 thing, man. This is, if you ask me, this right here is a one of one. So you would never see a SRT8 with the big calipers in the front like that. You never would see one with the big calipers like that. Trust me. This is a one-on-one, and I know. You know? I know. But let's check out the interior though. Give y'all a little full run around. $300 on the floor. Good SRT seats, man. Don't mind that. I think I just found me a lighter in the back, gang. Y'all, I think we just found us a lighter. We found us a, yeah, boy. Alright. But yeah, man, this is the Chrysler right here. Do another walk around for y'all soon, probably another time. But let's go get some content in the shop, see what's going on. What up, chillin'. Say what's up to the vlog, man. Say, man, it's another day, another dollar, y'all. I'm gonna start bringing like some crazy content for y'all, man. I'm trying to figure out what y'all want to see, so y'all gotta really let me know. It's really candy. The candy is what making it look like mirror, honestly, to me. I want to say, it'd be cooling, but it just looks so wet, don't it? Like it's just like you touch it, it's just gonna be on your hands, bro. Like it's, I don't know, man. I definitely would say this car is. It has a phenomenal color, bro. Like, this is some stuff you don't see every day. Like, this is a car that somebody dream about, you know, like that you just. But I'm gonna give y'all a little inside view on how I look on the inside. First, we're gonna start off with the 300 on the floor. And those brake calipers, those are swapped. I want to say those are 6 pistons. Those are usually, I believe, the ones that come on Hellcats. Don't quote me, I'm not 100% sure. But I do believe those are on Hellcats. But yeah, man, like, the car it just speaks for itself, bro. Like, it just speaks for itself. But yeah, we about to get back in and hit the highway. Alright. Let's get this show on the road, my boy. Safety first. Cause she is rowdy. She loves to, you know what I'm saying? Love to slide, bro. I don't know what's up with this car, but when I tell y'all this car love to slide, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. It probably don't even look like I got my headlights on, but the tint just so dark. For legal reasons. The car behind me just kind of hit the block quick, didn't it? On the highway. Slippery, my boy. Yeah. Yes, sir, ski. It drives so smooth, bro. Like, man, you would have thought this car was like brand new or something. Wait till I get the pipes done, y'all, man. That's gonna be another video though. So yeah, I want y'all to subscribe and like and comment on this video, man, because the next one gonna be once I get the pipes done. This junk gonna sound so crazy. It's gonna sound so crazy. I really want to see, cause I got all type of content that I'm like, ideas that I'm thinking of and stuff, but it's like converted from Instagram and going to YouTube, bro. That's a big switch, bro. I don't know if y'all, I don't know if y'all like done something like that before. Like if y'all was content creators on like TikTok and y'all trying to switch to like something else or something like that. Like that, it's kind of different because the fan base is different, and you have to grow your fan base. It's a lot, bro. So hopefully I can get it down packed to where y'all like what I'm dropping, and you know what I'm saying. Y'all just let me know if y'all fucking with the videos. But yeah, man, I'm gonna say that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna see y'all